What's up, guys? We in the kitchen. We making some. What we making?
Rice, crispy
Treats for the little ones.
The little ones, they like the little ones.
And this one is good, guys. We're not using that special.
Coconut oil. Just the regular.
Just the regular. Probably cut the head out.
Just regular. Put the thing down a little bit more. There we go. I'm gonna need you now. Okay, so this is it? Yeah.
Let me pour ice.
Yeah, go ahead, pour. All right, keep on. Go ahead. You pour out.
We want it to be creamy.
Go ahead, that's it then. Put a little bit, that's what I said. It's only 6 cups to make this.
Y'all see that?
Okay. And that's it. Done. Now I'm transfer it over to the pan. Uh-oh. Shoot.
Now you're just gonna spread that out, y'all.
Yeah,
So it's
spread
about
out.
done.
It's already done.
Quick and fast, first crispy treat, late night snack.
Okay.
Take about what? About 10 minutes,
Yeah,
10,
10 minute
15
process,
minutes.
yeah. And that's it. Just let it cool down. And it's done. This for me.
Yeah, trust it.
Okay. Cool down.
So let it sit for how long in the refrigerator?
15 minutes.
Let it sit for 15 minutes in the refrigerator,
Yeah,
guys.
and that's it.
And let it cool down and be good to go. And
Yeah.
we're gonna eat.
And we eating, child. Till next time. Peace.
Y'all gonna see the result? Y'all was saying, P, you gotta
Oh.
show the results.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll be back.
Let me show you the results. I'm sorry.
Yeah, test it, tasting it.
This is the new. I scrape this part. Till next time, y'all.